Hey Royal family, happy Friday. Hope everyone had a great week and they're going to start their weekend off with a bang. All right, you guys, it's still hot. So Mrs. O decided today I wanted a peanut butter banana chocolate milkshake. I know, it's all fattening. Hey, it's Friday. So let's live it up. All right, here are your ingredients. We're going to need powdered sugar. We're going to need some Hershey's syrup. We're going to need some whole milk. Of course, we're going to need peanut butter. We're going to need heavy whipping cream and also 2 bananas that are cut up and frozen. So make sure you freeze your bananas because this is also going to add as a thickener to your shake instead of ice. All right, I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the whipped topping first. Then we'll come back and put the shake together. All right, in this bowl here, I have 1 tablespoon of smooth peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and a 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Sorry you guys, I forgot to show you the vanilla in the ingredients. So what I'm going to do now is just whip it up into a nice whipped cream. Then I'll come back and I will show you. Okay you guys, let me explain. You remember when I had the tablespoon of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and it was 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is going to be the base of the milkshake and not the whipped topping. So what I decided to do was take whipped topping, whipped it up, then I added the chocolate syrup to it. So this will be our whipped topping for our peanut butter banana chocolate milkshakes. And what we're going to do with this is the peanut butter mixture. Let me explain. When I put the heavy whipping cream, the peanut butter, powdered sugar, and the vanilla in this, the peanut butter was too oily for the whipping cream to whip. But instead, it made an amazing flavor. So all we're going to do is take this right here, put our bananas in it, put our milk in it, and maybe 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. And when I tell you this peanut butter flavor is so pronounced, a mistake turned out to be a good mistake. So this here we're actually going to use in our milkshake. The chocolate topping we're actually going to put on top of the milkshake. All right, let me get the blender out and we'll do this milkshake. Okay, here in our blender, we added a cup of milk, the 2 frozen bananas that were sliced up. We added the peanut butter mixture, and then we added a 1/2 cup of whipping cream on top. So now all we're going to do is blend it up nicely. So I'll come back once it's blended because I know you guys don't want to hear the noise. My God, you guys, this is so freaking delicious. I love it when I do a new recipe and I have to twerk it because the whipped cream did not whip up because of the peanut butter. But with that being blended together, then poured into the blender with the frozen bananas, oh my Lord, I promise you guys, this is one milkshake you will not forget and you will love. So when I come back, I will show you the final presentation of the peanut butter banana chocolate milkshake. Oh my Lord.